Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Orcs Total War Warhammer 3. First, select your legendary lord, considering their unique bonuses and starting location. Immediately focus on consolidating your first province by conquering nearby settlements. Build up your initial army with a good balance of infantry, like boys, and some ranged support, such as goblin missile units. This strong early foundation is crucial for your WAOG to succeed. As you progress, effectively use the WAOG mechanic to overwhelm enemies with a second, temporary army. This is key for early game expansion. Focus on constructing growth buildings in your core provinces to quickly increase your population and unlock higher-tier units. Don't hesitate to expand aggressively, targeting provinces with valuable resources like iron or gold to fuel your war machine. In the mid-game, upgrade your settlements to gain access to advanced military buildings, allowing you to recruit elite units. Start fielding powerful units such as Black Orcs for their incredible melee prowess and Trolls for their monstrous strength. In battles, focus on flanking enemy lines with fast units and maximizing your charge bonuses with heavy infantry. Proper unit positioning can turn the tide of any engagement. For the late game, ensure your economy is robust enough to support several powerful armies simultaneously. Invest in technologies that provide faction-wide bonuses to your income, military, or public order. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Continue to expand your empire, crushing all who stand in your way, and solidify your position as the dominant Orc faction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.